Hello everyone, and today I will tell you a story titled A Magical Adventure. Once upon a time, in a tranquil coastal town, there lived a group of sea animals who loved exploring the vast depths of the ocean. Among them was Sammy, the adventurous dolphin, Lucy, the mischievous octopus, and Oliver, the brave sea turtle. One sunny day, the sea animals noticed a mysterious object floating on the surface of the water. It was a wooden chest covered in green algae and surrounded by an air of secrecy. Curiosity got the better of them and they gathered around to investigate. Sammy, being the leader of the group, cautiously approached the chest. He used his snout to push it open, revealing a glittering treasure inside. Gasps of delight escaped their mouths as they gazed upon the dazzling jewels and shimmering gold coins. Excitement filled the air as the sea animals imagined the possibilities. Lucy had a mischievous idea and suggested they each take a small piece of treasure as a keepsake. They all agreed, deciding it would be their little secret. Days turned into weeks, and the sea animals continued their normal routines while secretly cherishing their precious keepsakes. However, a strange aura began to envelop the town, and a series of unexplained events shook their peaceful existence. The water seemed to ripple with an air of unease. One night, as Sammy was swimming through the dark depths, he overheard whispers among a group of passing sharks. They talked of an ancient seekers demanding the return of the stolen treasure before a great disaster befell the town. Chills ran down Sammy's spine as he realized their secret hoard was causing unrest in the underwater realm. He knew action had to be taken. Sammy called for an emergency meeting with Lucy and Oliver to face the looming danger together. With a heavy heart, the sea animals made the difficult decision to return the stolen treasure to its rightful place. Each one let go of their precious keepsake, dropping it back into the chest, hoping to break the curse and restore tranquility to their beloved town. As the last piece of treasure fell back into the chest, a powerful surge of energy rippled through the water. The sea animals watched in awe as the chest transformed into a magnificent coral reef brimming with life and radiating positive energy. From that day forward, the coastal town flourished with abundance and harmony. The sea animals learned a valuable lesson about the importance of honesty and respecting the balance of nature. They continued their underwater adventures, but this time with a deeper understanding and a newfound appreciation for the mysteries of the sea. And so, the tale of the sea animals and their suspenseful encounter with the stolen treasure ended, leaving them wiser and forever bounded in their shared secret and the impactful lesson they learned.